In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Ethereum wallet address on KuCoin. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So this is very easy. Just click on assets right here. And now you should find this left sidebar menu. So if you scroll down, you should find deposit. And we can see the full list of all the coins you can use on KuCoin. So you just click here to see the list and search for Ethereum. Now we can click the coin and we need to select a network. So you can choose any of these networks right here. And the default Ethereum network is this one, the Ethereum network. So you can click here. And now we have our Ethereum address right here. We can copy it and send it to anyone. Or we can also click here to have this QR code. And anyone can scan this code so they can send Ethereum to our wallet. So that's it. This is the address you can use to get money on your KuCoin wallet. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.